All right, today we have an easy clip to mount your cell phone right in the ventilation. I'm going to show you this product right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Gabriel from mediaboxentlab. I want to show you this easy way to mount your cell phone right on the ventilation of your car. All right, so we have the easy clip. And later on, we're gonna go right on my car and I'll show you, but I want to show you the details here first, and then we go right on my car. So we got here phone holder, and the nice thing here, it comes with two styles. By the way, instruction and warranty card. And we need this too. Okay, so we see here the design. Nice, easy to hold your phone and remove your phone. So drop your phone here, press it down, and that's it. And technically, when you're going to take your phone, you're going to grab with your hands. You press it to the side like this, right? Just take your phone. That's simple. Takes a second and just you grab it there. Now you have this phone longer than this. You can bring this down, and that will be the case. I think it's a real nice design. Now, how are you going to hold in the ventilation? And let me show you this, because I like these two styles. So we have this style where you're going to hold it right in your ventilation, and you put in ventilation either vertical, horizontal, and press this down. It's not going to go anywhere. And simple enough, go like this. Push this down. Turn this down. And now set it where you want it, right? Maybe you want to go to the left or to the right, and it's done. But I like this one too. I think this one is even nicer, because this one allows you to look how much it can be. Maybe you can put in a ventilation or somewhere, some other things in the car, and then when you're done, you find the spot you're gonna put it in, and you're gonna press this down. And believe me, it's not gonna go anywhere. So I like this one in particular. I think this is a great idea, but this one too. This one I think allow you to, in case you have a bigger ventilation. I don't know. So it's just give you an idea and how to use it. It's a great unit. So what we're gonna do right now, let's go and see how this thing will look right in my car.